today I am sorting out the spare room. It is our dumping ground. We've never really had a purpose for it. It is currently an office since working from home, but like the other side of it is just, yeah, I'll show you. So this is the before. Otto's crate and his bed, which he likes to rip apart, so he has to have it on top of there. Plus there's lots of toys on top of there which he rips apart, so they need to be sorted out, and quite a few of them binned. And then we just have a pile of rubbish, really, don't know what to do with it. A keyboard that Seb never plays. The storage in the corner has got like all my beauty products in, all my like hair stuff, nail stuff, just kind of cluttered on top. I am planning on putting that in my wardrobe, which is here, which I won't show you because also that is a mess. But I'm planning on putting that. I just want to sort through it, try and condense it a lot of it down, and then put it in the wardrobe if possible. Then we just have cluttered windowsill with like stuff I don't know what to do with. And then this is Seb's desk, which just needs a bit of a tidy and a dust. PlayStation box, which I have no idea where to put, but yeah, I think it's mainly, I mean this would be quite quick, this area, but it's mainly this back wall that really needs a good sort out, and I'm going to go through each drawer. So yeah, let's go.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime romance. my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space.
So luckily, as you saw, this chest of drawers is the Alex drawers from IKEA, and it fits perfectly in my wardrobe. I mean, I have lost a little bit of space, but we can work with it because this is just not going to fit in with our home office like makeover. So I'm really glad it fits into my wardrobe. I have my makeup bag and jewellery stacker box on top, so they're easy access. I've got like my most used hairbands and baubles and scrunchie, and then some of my perfumes and makeup brushes are back there. And then the top drawer is all like my excess makeup, stuff that I don't really wear on like a daily basis. Moisturiser. So these are all my powders, lipsticks, more lip products, mixture, I think those are eye products, and a few base products there. And then below is all my palettes and a few extra boxes. So I have my Urban Decay Naked palettes, MAC palette. So yeah, that's my palette drawer. And it's got, I think, a few bronzers under there that wouldn't fit in the powder compartments. This one has all my other perfumes, my Beats headphones and my contact lenses, so those nicely fit in there. Got some makeup bags, extra makeup bags in there. This one has all our sunglasses, pretty much glasses, sunglasses in that one. This one is my underwear, obviously won't show you that. My socks, I mean, not that interesting, but my sock drawer. This one has my hair products, so it's got my straighteners, curler, all my other bubbles, and then all my hair products and brushes and stuff in that one. It fits nicely in that drawer. And then lastly, these are all like my body products, a few extra hair ones that wouldn't fit in that drawer, and my nail polishes at the back. And yeah, that's everything in those drawers. So yeah, I will shut that now because the other bits of the wardrobe do need to be organised, but that can be saved for another day. And then this is the final result. Got Otto's crate. We have actually thought about we're thinking of maybe getting like a gate put on it and then making the downstairs, under the stairs, into like his little den. So we'll see if we can work out if we'll do that or not. But for now, this is his little bed, and then all of his stuff are in those couple of Neptune bags. Then I've got the map, which is actually wonky. I don't know if that's any better now. I really like this map. I bought it for Seb's birthday quite a few years ago now, and it's got like all the places that we've been and where we'd like to go, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it up here when I do the makeover, because I'm not sure if it's going to fit or not. But for now, it'll live there. All this space is empty. There's a lamp, which I need to find something. We're thinking of getting some bookcases to go on this back wall, so maybe that will go on those. This room isn't the biggest, so it's quite nice just to have some empty space. And then I've managed to clear quite a lot of the stuff off there. I've got a few like candle holders, which I think I'm gonna put downstairs, but they're there for now. And then this is gonna be maybe on the bookshelves, the bookcase that we're gonna get, and also along with that might go downstairs, I'm not sure yet. Those are just a few pieces, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them yet. And then we have the desk. So I love this desk. It is from, oh my god, where's it from? Maison du Monde, I think that's where it's from. Yeah, this is just Seb's setup for work. And I've got the gallery wall, which is all from Desenio, which they kindly gifted. Oh, that's on my Instagram. And then, yeah, this is all clear. And I have also organised the drawers, and you can find what you're looking for. So I've got this, I reused one of these from my makeup storage, and put all the pens and stuff in there, and just a few stationery bits. And then in here is some paperwork, paper files, in these drawers, bits and pieces, some electrical stuff in the bottom drawer and some notebooks in the middle drawer. This is now kind of clear. I'm not too keen on this chair. Obviously it's comfy for Seb, but I will be looking for a new chair for the desk that goes with the decor a bit more. I do also have these paint samples. I have actually chosen which paint samples what paint I'm going for, so that will be in an upcoming video of this room's makeover. But yeah, I should probably take these down now because I have chosen which colours, I should say, I've chosen, and I have actually also, I don't know if you can see, I've started marking out the panelling that is going to be going on the walls, which I can't wait to do, and I might do it tomorrow, I'm not sure. But yeah, and then just my wardrobes here. So yeah, that is everything in this room with a makeover pending. So everything is now organised and decluttered and cleaned and tidied. So I will leave this video here. If you did enjoy watching, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more. And if you would like to see the makeover transformation of this room, make sure you subscribe so you're notified when I upload that video. But yeah, that's everything. So I will say goodbye.